Hey guys, this is Santos. I've been looking everywhere for a video that shows how to replace the LED bar on our cars. This is a 2014 Chevy Impala LT2. I've seen a few videos that show how to remove the cover, nothing that shows how to replace the bar yet. I know the part itself is only 70 something dollars on GM parts. After shipping comes out to $98, almost $100. The dealer says the entire assembly has to be replaced. I call BS on that. I just didn't believe it. A few guys on the Impala page also went ahead and told me that you didn't have to go that far and spending that much. Shout out to Gen 10 Impala gang. Everybody on there is very helpful. So I went ahead, took it all apart, and sure enough, it's as easy as it looks. This is the old one. As you can see, a little backstory, I actually hit a plastic divider over on Beachside where I live. They have these dividers in the center of the road. Animal jumped out in front of me, swerved to miss it, hit the divider instead. It cracked my LED bar. Dealership said I had to replace the whole thing, which was $653 or so. I didn't find it to be my fault that I had to hit that divider. I shouldn't have been there in the first place. Contacted the state of Florida. They reimbursed me $650. Awesome for me. I went ahead and pocketed about $550. Spent $100 on the new bar. Now, quick video on how this works. I already did it, but I figured I'd show you the basics. This here has 4 clips that comes off to take this cover off. So here you can see there's one. This one unfortunately broke on the way out. They're very sensitive. There's 2, 3, and then the 4th one is down here. Once you pop this off carefully, this is the guts of the mirror. Now, in order to get to this bar, because it's so it's placed into the assembly, there's actually 3 screws you need to remove first, which attach the mirror portion to the assembly. Once you remove this part, you can kind of wiggle it off, and once that comes apart, kind of like this part right here, the LED bar, just pops right out. It's honestly really easy. There's just one plug here that has a seal on it for water not to get in. You pop it out, and then there's 2 more screws. One here, one there. You take those 2 screws out, you pop it in, and then you put the 5 screws back in. Once you do that, everything is pretty much right back to working. Everything, the light below and the light on the side. So that's a pretty quick fix. Only took me a couple minutes, and I am no mechanic. Trust me, I don't know much about this stuff. But of course, I wasn't about to spend $650 on a mirror, knowing that it just couldn't be that difficult. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back together. And that's all. I just figured I'd let you guys see for yourselves. I know a few people have asked about it. I haven't seen any videos on it yet. Excuse me. I haven't seen any videos on it yet. So I'll be posting this on our page, most likely on YouTube as well, or maybe on YouTube, then share it to our page. Thanks for your time. Have a great day, guys.